Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever been frustrated trying to print a spreadsheet from Google Sheets only to have your data crammed awkwardly onto the page, today's video is going to be a lifesaver. We're diving into how to change the page orientation in Google Sheets. Learning this simple trick can make your printout so much cleaner, whether you're prepping a financial report for work, creating a schedule, or putting together anything that just needs to look polished on paper. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to flip between portrait and landscape modes, with confidence anytime you're working in Google Sheets. Let's get right into it. First things first, make sure you're signed into your Gmail account. If you're already there, you're off to a great start. Now look in the top right corner of your Gmail window. You'll see a little icon that looks like a grid of 9 dots, often called the Google Apps menu. Go ahead and click on that. Give it a second to open up and then scroll through the menu until you find Google Sheets. It usually has a green icon with a white table on it. Click on Google Sheets to launch it. Once Google Sheets loads up, you'll either create a new spreadsheet or open an existing one that you want to print. The next step is to head up to the very top left corner of the Google Sheets window. Here you'll spot the File menu. This is pretty familiar territory in most Google apps. Click on File, and a drop-down menu will appear with a whole bunch of options. Take a moment here, you don't want to rush and click the wrong thing. From the drop-down, look for the option labeled Print. This is going to open up a special print setup screen. If you're used to hitting Control or Command+P, this might look a little different, but this dedicated print menu gives you way more control for situations like this. Now on the right-hand side of the print setup screen, you'll notice a section labeled Page Orientation. This is where the magic happens. You'll see two choices, Portrait and Landscape. Portrait stands the page upright, which is great for lists or content that's taller than it is wide. Think a phone screen held vertically. Landscape turns the page sideways, which is often a better match for wide spreadsheets, large tables, or anything that just stretches out across the columns. To change the orientation, simply click on either Portrait or Landscape. Don't worry if you're not sure which one you need. You can always check the print preview that shows up on the left side of the screen. Google Sheets lets you see instantly how your data will appear on the page. If everything looks squished or like it got chopped off, try toggling the orientation setting and see if it fits better. Sometimes it takes a moment for the preview to update, so don't rush, it's totally normal. And that's all there is to it. Once you're happy with how your spreadsheet looks, you can go ahead and finish printing as usual. If you ever run into a scenario where your data still isn't fitting quite right, you might want to adjust things like margins or scaling, but changing the page orientation is one of the easiest and most impactful things you can do. If this walkthrough helped you print a spreadsheet more easily, do me a favor, smash that like button. If you have any questions or tips of your own about making Google Sheets work for you, drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. And of course, if you want to see more straightforward, helpful tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.